AC machines to three-phase induction motor. Objectives. The following topics for three-phase induction motor: DOL starter function with current and torque graph versus rotor speed. DOL starter working with diagram. DOL starter torque equation. Disadvantages of DOL starter. Disadvantages of DOL starter. Types of starters. DOL starter, it is full voltage at starting. The auto transformer started reduced voltage starting. The star delta starter, it is reduced voltage starting. Rotor resistance starter, it is used for slip ring motor. We know 1, 2, 3 are used for squirrel cage slip ring and 4 is used for slip ring induction motor. Here DOL starter. The main method of starting the AC motors is direct online starting. Direct online starting. This simply means an electromechanical switch is opened and closed to stop and start the motor. Or the DOL starter comprises a switch and an overload protection relay. An overload protection relay. Now diagram for DOL starter. See, once you watch this one, so this, watch this one. What they given, how they drawn in the circuit given diagram, what they are given once you observe. Here the diagram of DOL starter. The three-phase supply. Here this three-phase is, that is R phase, Y phase, B phase, and the switch that is TPST switch, tripole single through. that is the switch, three-phase switch, and the starter, the DOL starter is connected, and then after that stator connection. Here the following graph figure 2 shows how the current drawn by the motor when started using DOL starter. FLT is nothing but full load torque. FLC is nothing but full load current. Here, three-phase induction motor with DOL load. See, observe this one, current along the y-axis, that is percent of motor full load current. So here FLC is nothing but full load, and x-axis is full load speed percent, and y-axis right side is torque. So torque is given. So observe this one. This graph is draw this graph, how they drawn. Now here see, observe this one. So current at the starting full load voltage is applied, and the torque here, the torque, and now the speed variation between this speed variation, and this one is stator current, this one is torque, this one also sample load torque curve, and here the torque, how here, and how the current is plotted, and how the torque is going. This is important points from graph. When full voltage is connected across the stator, the terminals of induction motor, large current is drawn by the windings. This is because at starting the induction motor behaves like a short circuited transformer. This high current will, however, be gradually decreasing to its normal value as the motor will pick up speed, as shown by it is in red line in the graph. See here, this is the current, how it is reducing. For small capacity motors having rating less than 5 HP, the motors can withstand high starting currents due to robust construction. So motors are directly switched on from supply lines, hence the starters is called direct online starters. It does not reduce the starting current and it consists of overload coil which protect the motor from overload. It is no load release coil which protects the motor from low voltage conditions. This is the DOL starter. This is three-phase supply. This is three-phase supply, R phase, Y phase, B phase, and this one is main switch. And here thermal overload relays are using here. And here this one is magnetizing coil. This is contactor. This contactor is connected to this one, and here this is also a magnetizing coil. Here this is squirrel cage rotor and this one is stator. This one is contact to keep coil energized. Here one NY is normally opened start, NC is normally closed stop. This is the diagram for DOL starter. Operation of DOL starter. In the above diagram, no contacts is normally open. It means it start, and NC is normally closed, well stop. At start, NY is pressed, the coil is energized and attracts the contactors. So stator directly gets supply and keeps contactor in on position. When NC is pressed, the circuit gets open due to which coil gets de-energized and motor gets switched off from the supply. Under overload conditions, current drawn by the motor increases due to which there is a excessive heat produced. Thermal relays get opened due to high temperature, protecting the motor from overload conditions. Short circuit protection, fuses are provided for short circuit protections. For no voltage protection, if supply fails or low voltage situation, the circuit gets opened and it is called as under voltage or no voltage protection. Note, as explained in the above DOL starter, it protects the motor from overload and no load short circuit protections. So torque developing starting the motor by direct switching, rotor input P2 is equal to 2 pi ns T by 60. So this torque T is proportional to Pt, and here but Pt is to PC is to PM, that is equal to 1 is to S is to 1 minus S. Here P2 is equal to PC by S, that is equal to 3 into IT square R2 by S. Torque is proportional to I2 square by S if rotor resistance R2 is constant. Now the rotor current I2 is proportional to stator current I1. So torque is proportional to I1 square by S, or T is equal to KI1 square by S, where K is constant. At starting, S is equal to 1 and I1 is equal to IST, starting current. The starting torque, that is TST, is equal to KIST square. On full load, S is equal to SF, I1 is equal to IFL, full load current. The full load torque TFL, that is equal to K IFL square by SF. Therefore, TST by TFL is equal to K IST square by KIFL square SF. That is equal to IST by IFL. IST means starting current and IFL means full load current. So here IST by IFL all square into SF. So here when the motor is direct switched on to rated voltage, then starting current IST, short circuited current ISC, the starting torque TST is equal to TFL into ISC by IFL square into SF. It shows that the starting torque varies as the square of the starting current. So the disadvantage here, high inrush current. So typically 6 into full load, which can cause several problems. So necessity of overstaging of installation, particularly important on generator and UPS fed supplies. Limits expansion, reduce services life of electrical components. And mechanical disadvantages here. Excessive applied starting current, typically 2.5 to full load current, increases wear and drive chain components and reduces service life of mechanical components. The DOL starter function with current and torque graph. Circuit diagram of DOL starter is working of DOL starter, torque equation of motor. This is the summary of the DOL starter, and disadvantage also